Good morning, everyone. We will start the call. US markets were negative yesterday, and so are Asian markets this morning. On the US side, the number of Americans filing new claims for unemployment benefits fell for the second straight week as labor market conditions remain tight despite the Fed's aggressive interest rate hikes. Initial claims for state unemployment benefits decreased by 10,000 to 230,000 for the week ended August 19, against economists' expectation of 240,000. Labor market strength and slowdown in inflation are fanning optimism that economy could avoid a recession. Also, a separate report released by the US Commerce Department yesterday showed that there is a modest increase of 0.1% month on month in new orders of key US manufactured capital goods in July, suggesting that business spending on capital goods could continue to grow. So overall, on the economic data front, the US continues to do well. I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Thank you, Jihan. A very good morning, all of you. So as we have seen in Nifty in yesterday's trading session, we have seen a selling pressure. It was a gap up opening, and overall it was a selling pressure throughout the day. Nifty has taken a strong resistance from its 20-day moving average, which was around 19,500 levels. And Nifty is going to take a support for today around 19, which will be around 19,300 levels. That is going to be a trendline support as well. That is going to be a trendline support as well. If we see a further selling below that, it can test 19,200 to 19,130 levels as well. Whereas if Nifty takes a trendline support from the lower levels and we start a buying rally, then 19,450 will act as a very strong resistance zone for Nifty, followed by 19,540. Speaking about Bank Nifty has seen a similar move like Nifty. It has given a gap up opening, and has seen a selling pressure by taking a resistance of 45,000 level. There's one more interesting thing. There's a negative average crossover in Bank Nifty's daily chart, which is making it more weaker. We feel there's going to be a profit booking in Bank Nifty as well. The immediate support for Bank Nifty is placed at 44,400, followed by 44,200. And if that is also broken, then 44,000 levels will be tested in the coming days. Whereas if we take a support from 44,400 and we witness some buying rally here, then 44,870 to 45,180 will act as a very strong resistance zones. Speaking about Nifty Financial Services, it has closed around 19,740. The immediate support for this index is placed at 19,650, followed by 19,550. Whereas the resistance for this index is placed at 19,870, followed by 20,000. So it is going to be a very stock specific market today. We feel Tata Coffee is looking good at current levels. Where you can take a buy call only about 248, 249 for a target of 259. The stop loss for this stock will be at 243. So that's all from my side. I request derivatives team to take the call forward.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Ayush. So on the derivative front, if you look at the overall data front, it seems that the Y positions which is getting created currently on the monthly basis, on the weekly basis, the support will lie at 19,200 level. Once Nifty goes below 19,200 level, then fresh shorts will be created. As we are mentioning from last 2 to 3 weeks, that Nifty is in the range of 19,200 to 19,600, and it is getting difficult for the Nifty to hold on the upper levels. So in today's scenario, also we are seeing that at 19,400 and 500 level, almost 15 million positions of a call writer got added up, while against that we are seeing that a put writer positions is liquidated. So this is a negative sign for the market. While on the PCROI also came down yesterday sharply from 1.06 to 0.80 level. PCR is having support at 0.72 on the downside. So we should there might be some kind of selling pressure in today's trading session. So view might be cautious for today's session. Once Nifty goes below 19,200 level, then new short need to be created and longs need to be exited for the downside towards 19,000 to 18,800 level. While on the stock specific front and sector specific front, the counter which looks positive will be RBL Bank, L&T and Elchem. This three counter looks positive, while on the negative front, we are seeing that Escorts, Torrent Pharma and Dr. Reddy, these three counter are showing some negative Y positions getting added up in the data front. So we expect this three counter to show on the negative front. So that's it from a derivative front. Thank you.
Kaynes Technology has entered into an MOU with Karnataka government to set up a semiconductor assembly and testing plant along with a PCB plant, involving total investment of rupees 3750 crores. So this is a big investment and in a technology intensive category. So this will be positive for Kaynes. Astra Microwave has bagged orders worth 158 crores for supply of satellite subsystems, airborne radar, and electronic warfare projects, subsystems for electronic warfare projects from DRDO, ISRO, and DPSU. This is positive for Astra Microwave. And India Bulls Housing Finance has repaid $275 million of ECB loans. Along with this repayment, the majority of loan repayments are now over. So this is positive for India Bulls Housing. Thank you.
Good morning. Telecom data for the month of June has come in, wherein Bharti Airtel has added 14.1 lakh subscriber, taking the total base to 37.4 crore. Reliance Jio added the maximum number of subscriber of about 22.7 lakh, taking the total base to 43.9 crores. And Vodafone Idea lost 12.9 lakh subscriber, taking the total base to 22.9 crores. So this is positive for Bharti Airtel and Jio. Thank you.
Commodities team can take over.
Yeah, thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, some profit taking is expected as dollar index has risen, and we expect gold to test 58,650. So for trading purpose, one can sell with a stop loss of 58,950, and on again downside 58,650. good level to enter long again and maintain a stop loss of 58,400. Accordingly, silver also prices is expected to correct till 72,800, 72,500. So one can sell around 73,600 and strictly maintain a stop loss of 74,100. Crude oil, yesterday we had witnessed some bottom fishing around 64, 20, 30. Some profit take. Sorry, and the close also have been able to maintain above 60, 6,500. So we expect some pullback till 66.30, 66.50. So buying is recommended with a stop loss of 64.50. In natural gas, prices are expected to trade in a range from 215 to 200 levels. In metal front, we are expecting some profit taking. So we advise copper, one can sell around 734 and maintain a stop loss of 738. On downside again, 727, 725 is the level we are looking to book profits. In zinc also, the September contract, one can expect some correction till 213.50, 213. And again, one can buy around these levels for a pullback, maintaining a stop loss of 211.50. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USD INR, if we get any pullback around 82.65 levels, so one can initiate a short position with a strict stop loss of 82.7325 levels for the target of 82.54 and 82.46 levels. In GBP INR, if prices comes around sorry, in GBP INR, if prices break levels of 104.50 levels, one can initiate a short positions for the target of 104.23 and 104.08 levels with a stop loss of 104.65 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate a short positions around 59.37 to 59.45 levels with a stop loss of 59.58 for the target of 59.17 and 59 levels. Thank you.